Welcome to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis with the top stocks in under 7 minutes. Starting things off with Nifty daily chart हम लोग देख सकते हैं. What can we see here? A हम लोग obviously देख सकते हैं आज के दिन में काफी प्राइस रिजेक्शन हुआ, इधर ओपन हुआ था and now it is back here down. But दूसरी जो चीज है that is it has made a higher high and a higher low, which is a good sign. It's a bullish sign. It shows that there is at least some price rejection happening at lower levels, even though ऊपर थोड़ा resistance है. अगर मैं मूविंग एवरेजेस करता हूं, ओके, जस्ट एज एन इंडिकेशन, वी कैन सी कि जो 13 MA है दैट इज एक्टिंग एज अ रेजिस्टेंस फॉर नाउ. सो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज. नाउ कमिंग टू 60 मिनट चार्ट, हम लोग क्या देख सकते हैं. मैं मेरे लाइंस और मेरे लेवल्स लाता हूं वापस, एंड व्हाट वी कैन सी हियर, okay, this level of 15,660 that has become a support several times. यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट किया, यहाँ पे किया, यहाँ पे किया, यहाँ पे किया, यहाँ पे किया, here several times, okay, which means that it is a very important zone. RSI is also at 40, which to me indicates that Nifty is possibly, there is a chance it's taking support. अगर level hold कर पाता है 660 का, then I think there is a good chance that we retest higher levels. Now, that being said, आज का जो selling था, that is we can't really ignore that. If I just do the 5 minute chart, what we can see here, इसकी starting में थोड़ा range bound movement हम लोग को दिखा रहा था. We saw it range bound till around noon or so. फिर 1-1:30 बजा, उसके बाद रियल शार्प नेगेटिव मूवमेंट्स आने लगे, एंड वी कैन सी कि 10 मिनट के अंदर, ठीक है, 10 मिनट के अंदर, एक्चुअली 15 मिनट के अंदर, 15 मिनट के अंदर 100 पॉइंट्स, 15 minutes 100 points was the move. If you had bought a put, अगर आपने put buy किया होता, then it would be very easy to get around 30 to 40 points depending on slippages. अगर call short किया होता, there is a chance you could have made around 40 to 50 points on your call. So again, strike और सबके ऊपर depend करता है, but I'm just saying कि क्या होता आपका result. Now that is Nifty's chart. Again, वैसा दिख रहा है. Or one thing I've noticed, okay, many people say that when I say Nifty is weak, Nifty is bearish. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि निफ्टी का ब्रॉडर ट्रेंड बेरिश है. मतलब I generally don't say Nifty is bearish, but when I say that Nifty is weak or Nifty is not showing signs of strength, मैं ये वाले ट्रेंड की बात नहीं कर रहा. I am talking about this trend. I am talking about the 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart क्या बोलता है कि आज के दिन में, 2 दिन में, 3 दिन में उसका ट्रेंड क्या है. क्लियरली, मतलब ये जो पिछला हफ्ता, 2-3 हफ्ते जितना हो गया है, Nifty has not been very bullish in that. Nifty has been sideways. So that is the trend that I talk about. So the reason why I say this is because many people should not get confused that when I say that Nifty is a little weak, I don't mean broad trend. Broad trend is still very much bullish. You can't deny that. But थोड़े से पर्सपेक्टिव पे जैसे आज थोड़ा सेलिंग आ गया, that is what I'm saying. Now coming to Bank Nifty, लेवल्स अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, बैंक निफ्टी में भी देख सकते हैं कि इट इज मेड अ हायर लो एंड अ हायर हाई, विच इज अ बुलिश साइन. 35,300 प्लस लेवल्स हैव बीन रिजेक्टेड, विच इज नॉट वेरी गुड साइन. वो जो बुलिश चैनल है उसके नीचे आ गया है, जस्ट लाइक निफ्टी. RSI इज स्लाइटली हायर देन निफ्टी बट नॉट बाय दैट मच, एंड प्रीवियस क्लोज का सपोर्ट अच्छा था, विच इज अ गुड साइन. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सीइंग विद बैंक निफ्टी. नाउ कमिंग टू द टॉप स्टॉक्स, ओके, कमिंग टू द टॉप स्टॉक्स, बैंक निफ्टी आज उतना भी वीक नहीं था मेरे हिसाब से. इफ यू पर्सनली आस्क मी, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर सीइंग. 2080 का सपोर्ट होल्ड कर रहा है फिलहाल, एंड इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई सेड दैट Reliance is kind of heading towards 2050, 2040, but it turns out there is actually a weekly MA 50 weekly moving average, which is where it took support, and that is why we saw some bounce happening here. RSI is also 40, so that's what we are seeing with Reliance. Now higher levels पे से थोड़ा selling आ गया है. आज का high था 2101, so 2100 levels plus has also been rejected. So let's see how that goes. But फिलहाल तो Reliance, again, people are saying it's bad, but I still feel it has some strength in it. Now coming to HDFC Bank, it is down back to 1480, 1460 levels heading. So अगर ये hold कर पाता है, basically ये जो spinning top है उसके low के I think आसपास will be a good sort of indication to see where it's headed. And interestingly, at this spinning top, okay, at this spinning top, RSI was below 50, which means kind of bearish bias आ गया था, but price was much lower. और अभी भी हम लोग RSI 50 देख रहे हैं, but price is a little higher. So थोड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. उतना बड़ा भी अमाउंट नहीं है, it's not that big of a number, but still it does count in my view. Next stock that we are talking about is Infosys. Infosys हम लोग देख सकते हैं has broken that 1560 level, and I had said that 1560 अगर तोड़ता है, there's a chance of a broader, profit booking, deeper profit booking happening. फिलहाल it has also managed to close below 1550. So maybe, even though buying हो रहा है, I think 1560 is now a resistance. So let's see how that goes. RSI is at 60, which is a good sign. But then again, let's see what tomorrow says. Now coming to HDFC. HDFC हम लोग को क्या दिखा रहा है? Buying happening at lower levels. ये जो gap है वो gap fill कर दिया है. Good buying, I would say, at lower levels. And HDFC actually price movement was also very choppy. So अगर intraday आप price movements देख रहे थे, then it would have been absolute chaos in my view. HDFC is known for that, but आज कुछ extra ही था. And we can see support at 2460, 2570. 2480 के ऊपर क्लोज नहीं है, but that's fine. I don't think it's a very big issue. Generally speaking, also HDFC हम लोग ने बात किया है कि it is a very lethargic stock these days. So ठीक है, it might take its own speed time. I can't type, it seems. But let's see how HDFC goes. Now coming to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank almost एक doji बनाया है, और it has made yet another higher high and a higher low. I would say compared to Bank Nifty and Nifty, it is similar to that, but काफी बड़ा gap up था और वो gap up hold कर पाया है. Nifty, Bank Nifty both actually filled in those gaps very easily. 60 minute पे हम लोग को पता चल जाएगा. This did not even try to fill in that gap very well. In fact, जो 12 साढ़े 12 के बाद का जो सेलिंग आया उसमें थोड़ा फॉल्टर कर गया. बाकी अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट हेल्ड इट्स डेज लो ऑल्सो वेरी वेल. मतलब जो ओपनिंग लो था वो भी अच्छे से होल्ड किया था. सो ओवरऑल ICICI बैंक लुक्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आफ्टर दैट we come to Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि it's a doji, yet another higher high, higher low, which is a good sign. It's a positive sign. In fact, Kotak Bank is also part of my watch list. Next stock is SBIN. SBIN, we can see yet another higher high, higher low, right at 420 support, which is also a good sign. Next stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank हम लोग देख सकते हैं yet another higher high, higher low, but it's a spinning top doji almost. So let's see, that is what the market looks like. If you want to see which stocks are great to trade, make sure you check the previous video that I uploaded. That's it for this one. See you in the next. Happy trading.